It's early in the morning. It's raining. We're out in the middle of nowhere. There's a big mountain over there. Oh, we're doing? We're stopping. We're stopping to look. I said to get out of the car. Now I gotta get back in because the rain's really cold. Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! So they're all out there having a little adventure. I'm in here with a blanket and a jacket because I decided to wear shorts on this trip, and it is raining, and the rain's really cold. But they look like they're having fun. Let's see if you can see them. They're out there. Maybe. Can you even see them? Look at that. Yeah. I don't know what they're doing. Huddling in the masses. But they got out of their car and accidentally locked themselves out. So they had to wake somebody up that was in the back sleeping so they could get into the car. That was great. It was fun. I think I'm gonna maybe go to sleep now, or I don't know. The rain's cold. I'm asleep. Probably. Because I got this blanket. Night night. It's almost 2 in the morning. Wait, stopping drivers. They woke me up. Okay. Driving now. Oh. Bye bye. Yes. Let's go.